Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and these are not my hand, but we are gonna do this unboxing anyway. This is my newest iPhone. I mean, I had already the iPhone 14 Pro, but I've decided to take this new iPhone to test it also because I wasn't satisfied with the iPhone 14 Pro. So I decided to upgrade it and test the Pro Max version, but I didn't buy it with the same color. I decided to switch a little bit, but before I tell you what color is this new iPhone, I mean, you already saw it in the title, but we're gonna unbox it anyway. So let's find out if they send me the iPhone or maybe something else, because we never know from Amazon. This is the iPhone. It is in the silver version, so you can see that the particulars on the box are just silver, and we already know that it is called silver, but it is not actually silver, but it is white. I don't know why they keep telling that it is silver. I don't understand why, but yeah, we are gonna call it silver. And we can see already that the box is not in the best shape that I have ever seen, but I think that the phone, it is okay, so we are gonna unbox it anyway. So this is the phone. It is actually white, as I said before, because we already know that it is white. And in the box we can find, of course, the phone itself and the lightning cable, a standard manual with some stickers, of course, and that's pretty much it. I think that this year it's a little bit more silver. I don't know if it's my impression, but it is kind of more silverish, I don't know. And the last year, 13 Pro Max, it was a little bit more white, in my opinion. I don't know, let me know down below in the comments if it's only my impression or it is like that. This is the phone, so nothing new, of course. We're gonna see some more videos about this 14 Pro Max, and I hope it is a little bit better than the 14 Pro, because as I said before, the 14 Pro, it wasn't the best phone, the best iPhone that I've tried, and I hope this one, it is a little bit more better, we can say. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna set up this phone later, and so you're gonna see some other videos about this phone. I can already see some fingerprint around the phone because this phone, it's a lot fingerprint magnet because of its gloss frame. As I said before, I like a lot the matte finish in the back, and I hope that from now they can do like a matte finish also on the frame, because I mean, it's looking a lot better in a matte finish, in my opinion. Anyway, as I said before, I'm gonna set up this phone right now, and you will see some other videos later in the future. For now, that's pretty much it. And as always, thank you for watching this video. If you did like this unboxing, this really quick unboxing, just, of course, if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below, because I mean, it's free. And also, if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, just hit the subscribe button down below. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.